All right, let's start the Star Gold construction.
My excavator is warmed up.
Just don't spill the mortar.
The deeper the foundation pit, the better.
Hey, don't scoop me. Brother Bear, slow down a bit. Help!
I dug too deep. An even layer of mortar here.
A sturdy brick here.
A straight line. Continue. You press too hard. Oh, I forgot how strong I am.
Star House is almost finished.
Building a house with friends is always the most fun.
And the messiest, too.
Hey, that's cold.
Just a small technical error.
I cleaned it up.
Hey, that's my water bucket.
Need to be careful when climbing high.
Don't slip.
One time, 2 bricks to be quick.
Just don't drop them. Oh no, almost. Keep your balance, friend. Let's finish building together. A little straighter, Barry.
I'm adjusting gently.
I'm adjusting gently. We're working so fast, aren't we?
There's still so much to do.
Bricks coming.
Place them gently, okay.
Ow, that water's cold. I'm sorry, my hand slipped.
I'm strong. Light as toys.
But don't drop them, brother.
This corner is a bit off.
Let me adjust it straight for you.
So much wind! Stay close to the wall to avoid it. Oops, almost fell.
That's my bucket.
Every line must be beautiful.
Don't worry.
It looks beautiful to me. This spot is too slippery. Be careful. One more brick.
Perfect. Placed it right.
Give me some new mortar. Here, keep up the pace.
Let me push some more earth.
Remember to be gentle. Just gentle. Oh my God! Get away!
I've got it under control. We made great progress today.
Keep it up! The top layer must be perfect.
I'll hold the ladder for you.
3 bricks are still light.
Be careful not to slip.
Oh, almost fell.
I'll wipe it dry for you right away.
This mortar is perfect for roof building.
Let me scoop some.
It's already chest high. Right on schedule.
Oh my goodness, you scared me to death!
I was just testing it. It's only beautiful when it's smooth like this. Looks so professional.
So heavy.
Really heavy.
Give it here, I'll help.
Bricks are here.
Perfect timing. There's a little smudge here. Thanks, it'll be beautiful immediately.
These bricks are as sturdy as rock.
Our team is amazing.
bricks are as solid as rock.
Our team is super.
So many leaves blowing around. Stay close to the wall to block the wind.
Last brick right here. It's in the perfect spot.
Almost half the house is
Done!
That's incredible. A little bit tilted. I'll fix it right away. Getting the next batch ready.
I'm getting the plaster ready in time. The plaster is smooth as cream.
Looks amazing.
This place is hard to walk through.
Let me clear the way.
Oops, I overdid it.
So cold I almost fainted. This line must be really smooth.
I think it looks great.
The light shines right into my eyes.
Let me adjust the light direction.
I'll park closer.
Remember to watch out for the wall.
Only 3 more rows to go. Easy, we can do it.
Almost spilled everything. So clever.
This time it's as light as a feather.
Wonderful.
We need to mix a new batch.
I'll get the water. Water's here.
Well done, little one. Perfect. It's ready to use.
Let's get back to work.
Building a house is so much fun.
Every line must be smooth.
I'll clean it up to make it perfect. This is the final stretch.
Just don't drop them again.
Almost done. Take your time, little one.
The top must be perfectly smooth and beautiful.
I'll clean the edges right away.
Let me shine it brighter.
Perfect! So bright and beautiful.
Even a tiny smudge makes it look bad.
It's beautiful thanks to you. Using every last bit.
Not a single bit wasted. Here's the final brick.
Perfect timing for placing it.
It's stunningly beautiful.
We're good at this.
My legs get tired from being up high all the time.
Let me climb for you instead.
Stand up here to be taller.
Thank you, Brother Bear.
It'll be dry in a little while.
Just a little more effort, okay?
The mortar is all gone.
That means it's perfect.
So dirty.
Me too.
So the wall section is finished. Absolutely wonderful.
It's hard as a rock now. Ani dow.
That's super cool. The excavator looks tired too, huh?
It worked the hardest of all. Tidying up to make it clean.
Good job, little one.
Still perfectly straight.
Just like the blueprint.
Oops, almost stepped on it. That's my bucket. Clean up so we can continue tomorrow. So much spirit.
We did a great job. Totally agree. Totally agree.
Tomorrow we'll plaster the roof.
You can't die.
So excited.
My hands are so dirty.
A quick wash and they'll be clean.
Let me help you.
Thank you. My back feels like it's going to break. Make it break.
Let me give you a massage. It's really solid.
You can tell it's durable. It's so beautiful.
It's the effort of all three of us.
Tomorrow we continue the work.
Absolutely.
Star Home will definitely be completed.
Perfect. No adjustments needed.
I can tell just by looking. My back aches a little.
I'll massage your shoulders. Not a single bit off.
Precisely to the millimeter.
Tomorrow we start the roof.
So excited.
Only clean and beautiful is acceptable.
That's the spirit. The star wall is absolutely perfect. The most beautiful in the valley. Our wall shines like a star, doesn't it?
That's why it's called Star Gold.
Let's go home, everyone.
Tomorrow we continue the work.
We're really good, aren't we?
Star Gold team is unbeatable.
Hey, team! Tomorrow we build a Star Gold